Hey, welcome to another weekend vlog, and it's going to be a long vlog as we are going on vacation to Goa right now. Yes, we're just getting ready and we are off to Goa. Kashmi is all super excited. She has got all her stuff in her bag. So, now, let's go Kashmi. Alright guys, see you. Hello. Hey, we have just reached Goa airport and we are just waiting for our luggage. Kashmi is also making a vlog. And that's the outside, you can see at the back. Finally made it to the hotel. It was a very long drive. It was 75 kilometers, 1.5 hour long drive.
I made it. I slept.
Yeah, she slept. And this is the hotel, the Lalit Spa and Resort. And it's going to be a good one.
I hate resorts.
And so right now we are just going into the room and we'll crash for some time. See this stuff? We were greeted with this. So now we are just heading out to our room. We don't know where it is. We will see, we'll find out. And I'm also very hungry right now. Need to find some good Goan food. We'll be eating Goan food, seafood. Yes.
I will eat crabs.
Crabs. Alright guys, let's get settled in. We have checked into the room and now let me give you a tour of the room. That's the entrance. It's a sea view suite and Kashmi is enjoying. It's a sea view suite, so we have got a couple of chairs over here, apples, and as we enter on the left side we have the usual cupboards, and this is the bathroom. Kashmi is enjoying the part tub.
Yeah,
She's happy. That's all she needs. It's me. And that's the bathroom. It's quite big. Come on, Kashmi. So you show the rest of the stuff.
Okay, so like this is the bed. Good. And the only. I will always sleep here.
Yes. That's another mirror. That's the big TV. And we also have a balcony. That's the couch to rest.
A study table.
Balcony. That's the balcony. We are viewing the pool. We are finally heading towards the beach. We had a nice lunch. Kashmi is enjoying. That's the beach inside the resort. And this is the golf course.
What is this? What is this?
So this is the resort. Now we are just heading towards the beach. views for now.
Arabian Sea.
Yes.
And Arabian Sea is joined by land. I have studied in SS.
Very close to the ocean now. I'll not go much further close. A little bit more. And that's the view which I'm seeing right now. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
Swimming!
No swimming. We don't know how to swim. We don't know how to swim. Well, we are off for nice dinner now in the shack. And I'm going to try some new stuff. Some seafood.
I'm gonna eat prawns.
And she's all set, all dressed up. Look at her. Look at her. Ribbon. And there is something going on downstairs. Some party or something. We'll check it out. So we've got a table reserved at the shack. So we'll be having some good food, some good drinks.
Some sandy dinner.
Sandy dinner across, just next to the beach. So next clip will be the view of the table. Right, let's go. We are at the shack. This is the place. This is the place. That's the sea. You may not be able to see it, but it is. Good morning, folks. It's the second day of our holiday and we are off to North Goa today. Last week all dressed up from Spirit of Goa. So we have booked a cab and he'll be taking us there. North Goa, some places, Baga Beach and all the other places up north. So it's going to be a busy day. Let's go. Well, that's the first stop for the day. It's an old church. And on this side, there's the new one. Kashvi is also making her vlog.
Yeah.
So we'll be going to the old church first.
What?
Old church.
No, the new one.
Go to the new one first, or the old one? Let's check out the new one. It's still here. This came out of this church, St. Francis Church. Now, let's go to the other side. Making vlog and vlog. Kashvi is making her vlog.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Both are making vlogs.
Yeah.
Now we are heading to the other side, the old church. This one was good. And the weather is nice. It's hot, but the wind is blowing, so it's not that bad. Are you feeling hungry right now? I'm not also hungry. I had a beer on the way. I'm good. And we'll be going to the beach after this or to the fort. I think we'll be going to the fort now after this church. And we found a bent tree. See this? Slightly bent towards the left. Interesting. Well, we are here. This is the Baga Beach in Goa. It's one of the famous beaches here. So we will be spending some time and then we'll be heading to Brito's for lunch. There are not many places over here. St. Anthony's restaurant, bar, a lot of good stuff. sports as well, which are going on right now. Not sure you can see. I'm not a good water person, so I'll stay away from them. So this is the closer view of the Baga beach. Water sports going on. And there are lifeguards as well, shouting at people. So that's my chill time. Not going anywhere. We just relax here. Beer is coming, and that's what I'm going to do for another couple of hours. Just sit here, relax, and then we'll have some lunch. Now time to feed myself. Feeling hungry now, and just going to Britos. That's one of the famous restaurant over here. So I'm just heading over there and try some good seafood. From one beach to the another. Now we are at Kalunget Beach, Goa. It's close to Baga Beach. Get a nice lunch. Well, don't like this beach. It's again very crowded. The beach at our hotel is much better. It's a private beach, so that's much better as compared to this one. You can see not many people here, so not liking it, but it's a good experience, and we'll be leaving shortly from here. Hey, good morning guys. It is Saturday, the third day of our trip, and yesterday was very tiring after the beach, so we just came to the room and just crashed, and now just heading out to breakfast, and then we'll be going to the pool. Today is just going to be relaxing. I don't think we'll be going out much, but we'll see later on. So right now, breakfast, then pool, and maybe cycling, so stay tuned. Here we are once again. It's a nice relaxing beach, not many people here. It's a private beach within the resort, so this one is much better as compared to the other two which we went yesterday. Some party which happened last night here. Let's get closer to this ocean. Just heading over to that side. Peaceful. That's all I can say. I'm getting suntan day by day. Well, that's okay. It's part of being here at the beach. Well, I finally made it here. It was a long stroll across the beach. And I'm here. Going to chill out for a while. There are a few people who are going up there. Not sure what they're up to. I'm quite happy here. Cheers. At the pool, guys. Just relaxing. Kashmi is still inside. Let me show you what she's up to. She's been inside the pool for the last 1 hour or so. But I'm out and just relaxing here. There is Kashmi, enjoying the kids' pool. Yeah. Good times. What's up? Where are we going?
We are going to, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
We're just heading out of the hotel to check out some nearby markets for lunch. There are a few shops around, so we'll be checking them out and have some local Goan food for lunch. Kashi don't like Goan food.
Yeah.
She only likes
Pizza,
pasta,
noodles.
but I like Goan food, so I'll be trying a few more Goan curries right now.
I kind of like prawns taste, but the aftertaste is ear.
Looking good? This is the last leg of our vacation. This is Palm Beach in south of Goa. We are here in the evening, a nice dinner to drink. This is much more quieter as compared to Baga and Calumet Beach, which we visited yesterday. What's up? You liking this trip? Just trying to make some castles, sand castle. Okay, Kashi, we are going. Bye bye. Well, finally we got some light to record. Well, we had few drinks at this Palm Beach. You can see behind us there are many shacks around. And now we're just going out for some little shopping and then we will be heading back to the room.
So what about the dinner?
Dinner? No dinner. We're not hungry. We had drinks, we had nachos. That's it.
I just had one Pepsi.
That's all you need. See, there's a lot of the ocean behind us over there.
Not the ocean, the sea.
Sea, ocean,
It's the Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. Alright, so let's do some shopping and we'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah.
We are back again at the hotel. My tooth is paining. There's a lot of pain in my tooth. I got a painkiller which I'll be taking.
We ate ice cream.
We had ice cream and nachos.
And cold drink.
Yeah.
There's a ghost in this room.
Really? Ooh, let's go. We are here. Good lighting, finally. Now it's time to crash, watch a bit of television, check Facebook, email and all that good stuff, and then crash, sleep. Alright, see you in the morning. Good morning guys, that's the last day of our holiday and we just had a nice heavy breakfast and now we're just heading towards the pool. We'll be leaving the hotel by 11:30. Our flight is at 2:30. So until then, thought maybe let's go for another swimming session, pool session, and then sign off from here. Finally time to leave. Just going out to get the cab and then we'll be off to airport. So it's a very nice day at the Lalit's and I'm sure I'll come back here again. South Goa, love it. North Goa. So let's get to the airport and go back home. Time to get into the flight. Our flight is Air Asia. Where it is, I can't see. Well, we're finally back home and it was a good vacation, Kashi. Yes, we really enjoyed it. It was very nice. Last 3 days we had good time. So a tip, if you are going to Goa, if you want to go for relaxing, then you should go to South Goa. And if you want to go to commercial places, happening places, go to North Goa. So that's my tip from my first visit to Goa.
One tip for me.
Yes.
Tip for me. Don't eat food in Brittles.
She didn't like brittles, but I do like it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. It was a long one. I have already started editing it and I'm up to 20 minutes. So it's going to be 21-22 minutes vlog. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Please do let me know in the comments below. And thank you very much. I'll see you in my next vlog. Cheers, bye 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 bye.